starting with this closet turned into a room. The owners of the house put in, or took off the usual door and put in this like sliding glass door. And they also put in this like weird chalkboard desk, which is definitely not staying, but it's gonna be a good place for storage, either for my makeup and my wigs and all of that, or some of our clothes, because we have quite a bit. If you come upstairs, then you have our living situation. We have the kitchen to, I don't know, my left and my right.
To the left.
To the left. And it's super big. We're so excited. I love to cook. I'm the one who cooks in this family.
We both cook.
No, I'm better at it.
We both cook.
Yeah, but I'm better at it.
You
so
are.
I cook. And then to the right is the living space. And we loved how much natural light this place gets. It's a nice little corner unit, so we get all the natural light, and I'm so excited. Bash is gonna love it. We come over here, everything's a mess because we're moving, but here's gonna be his little litter box station. There used to be like doors on there, but I think it's like the perfect place to put his litter box, so he can do his business. And then there's a little guest bathroom, and it's just kind of tucked away in the corner, which I love.
We also have a little balcony out here.
I kind of like forget this exists, because if you have an indoor only cat, you know that you cannot open doors freely. So I forget this exists quite often, but we have a wraparound patio. Okay, this is the master, which again, we're obsessed with all the natural lighting. It's so pretty. I cannot wait to wake up in here. And we have a very big master closet, not enough to fit all of our clothes, unfortunately, but that'll fit quite a bit, I would say. A nice chunk of it. And then our favorite part, not our favorite part, but something we really loved, was we have a little washer and dryer room. And I don't know why that was so exciting to us, but I love that we don't have the washer and dryer in the garage like most California houses. So yeah. And then this is gonna be Devin's office. It gets a lot of amazing light. Guest bathroom. This is where Becky's gonna get all his baths. We really needed a bathtub, obviously, for that reason, so we're glad. And then this is my office. I'm so excited. I love it so much. The light in here is beautiful. I love just the windows and how much space it has. We are going to knock down these closet doors and probably just make this a whole shoe section. So if you guys know me, you know I love my shoes. So yeah. We're moving in, and by we I mean Devin is carrying literally everything by himself. There is me, my assistant, and Devin, and my sister. And Devin carried the mattress up 2 flights of stairs all by himself. You're doing great. What? Okay, I'm coming. They keep yelling at me. No, there's no more light things.
Are you serious right now? Leave it with the camera. She says, I'm gonna come be helpful.
I am.
She's making memories.
Okay, I gotta go carry this.
Okay.
The heavy one.
Oh, my back.
Now you guys know that song.
What? Because everybody's hurt.
She's gonna fart in the camera. Anyway. Okay, POV your box. Wait. Okay, wait, I didn't think this through. Help! Anybody? Okay, POV your now box.
Gonna break? Your hands are bright red. What do you mean, are they?
Another bad day.
They are.
Oh, that's the heaviest.
You can't really.
Good morning.
we don't have enough curtains, so we put a fuzzy blanket, blackout curtains, and then one of Dev's photo booth curtains. But good morning. That was a jump scare. We need to unpack today. It is day 2 of moving, and we are working on the closets because our lives are consumed by clothes, apparently. The boxes for both of our clothes are too heavy because we have 2 flights of stairs. So we have to open the box and just take them up pile by pile. So that's what we're doing. This is currently my office, and I'm gonna try to get some of it unpacked. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna fit all of this into this room, but we'll see. Fun fact, I've never had a dishwasher growing up, so I just put my first load of dishes in the dishwasher. Devin had to teach me. I got my little Hello Kitty toaster from Sanrio set up and some other fun stuff. Hi besties, I am trying. Okay, that kind of works. I don't have a wall mount, I'm literally losing my marbles. I am getting my nails done in the midst of all of this madness. I had to clip all of my real nails off during the move because I broke one, and I was just like, you know what? Life is gonna be easier moving if I don't have any nails. If you don't know, I usually get hard gel or builder gel on my natural nails because my natural nails do grow fast and long and strong, but you know, they break just like everyone else's nails, and the builder gel helps like me to grow out my natural nails, which I usually love. But today my nail queen and I are going to put Gel X. I usually only do that to like temporarily, like if I break one nail to like, you know, make it match the others, but we're gonna do a full set of Gel X nails for Coachella and Revolve Fest. But yeah, that's the update for now. Sorry if this vlog sucks, by the way. I'm still getting used to vlogging again. So yeah, it'll be a while till these get good. But thanks for tuning in anyway. I can't wait to show you my nails. BRB. Cute. I went to my girl Dawn. I will put her name below. I didn't want to film while I was getting my nails done because I didn't ask Dawn. I've only like gone to her twice. I'm going to a new nail person than I have in the past, so I didn't know if she was comfortable being on camera, so I didn't want to bother her. But this is what we're working with. Also, if you know, you know, I got my matcha, which is a grande iced matcha latte with 4 pumps of brown sugar and oat milk, and it's so good. I'm literally, like, it's sad to say, but I'm addicted to this drink. I get it almost every day. I'm usually not a big Starbucks or matcha person, to be quite honest, and this drink has changed me, and I've gotten like everyone addicted to it. It tastes just the best treat you could ever get. I look disgusting, but we did get pretty far in the closet. Not much. It's still a mess. It's still not perfect. We still need to switch out the hangers. We still need to get a bunch of shelves and like put up all of our accessories. Oh my god, I cannot talk. But at least we got some stuff out of boxes, which was really the goal because we were like overwhelmed with boxes. So yeah, that's nice. Everything else is still a mess. We've been so busy with packing and prepping for Coachella and Revolve Fest. Dev just
cleaning.
Dev has used a Mr. Magic Eraser thing for the first time.
And it works. He got everything.
And he's obsessed with it. He is...
Sponsor me.
Sponsor him. He is literally cleaning up everything.
Like, look at this.
Okay, hang on.
So Lena got Cheetos, hot Cheetos right here, so we're gonna clean it. Wow.
Wow. Really though, who did that?
I don't know.
That wasn't there when we...
I'm like walking around trying to find every little spot that I can get.
You wanna show them what we got yesterday? Some of the stuff?
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna return it.
We are gonna return it.
I don't think
But
there's
this
any
way,
point until we get it.
no, because this way they know what not to get too. Okay, so we got an espresso. My sister got it for me as like a little welcome, a housewarming gift. That's what it's called. So we wanted to get a milk frother. I saw the Nespresso one at Target, but it was sold out and it's $90. And we were like, let's just go with a cheap option, which was this for $30. Absolute just tragedy. I hated this. We tried it this morning and I filled it up to like the max line. And first of all, it felt like a toy. It was horrible. And then when we started doing the milk frothing, it exploded through like the suction cup lid and it was like spewing everywhere. So then I emptied out some of the milk and put it like less than the max line and it still exploded everywhere. So 10-10 do not, oh, and then I tried it again to warm it up for my Nespresso coffee and it just stopped working completely. Do not recommend this at all. It's at Target for $30. Garbage. We also got this spice rack, which like extends. And this is not garbage per se, it's just not gonna fit where we wanna put our spices, so we are going to return this as well. Yeah, we went ham at Target yesterday for the first time. We don't really buy too much home stuff in Target, but we got this like laundry rack for our laundry room because we just needed a place to put like our laundry detergent and dryer sheets and stuff. The flimsiest thing ever, and one of the pieces was defective, so we got to the very end of assembling it and one of the holes like would not fit a single screw in there and we were trying and trying and trying, so we were like, let's just disassemble this and return it. It worked out because honestly I didn't like it. We got it up and I was like, I hate this. What else did we get?
Nespresso.
I already told them about the Nespresso.
Oh.
Are you gonna pick it up?
No, I was maybe.
We also filled up our pantry, which was so exciting. Okay, show them. Oh, it doesn't look that
It's literally like
we have some snacks.
empty.
Oh, this is what we filled up. Liquid IVs up top, our little picnic basket, protein, smoothies, peanut butter, dates, chocolate, oats, all of our pasta, beans, rice, hummus, clearly. And then some ramen. Oh my God. This from Trader Joe's.
Yeah, this is so good.
We are all obsessed. There you go, enjoying. So good. We just tried them for the first time today. Just saw them at Trader Joe's for the first time and it's so good.
We don't have Beshi right now because we're setting up the house first. We want to try to minimalize? Is that a word?
Minimize?
Minimalize? I'm not okay. I'm not okay. I cannot wait to not have one brain cell. Did I say that right? I cannot wait to have more than one brain cell. I don't know what I'm saying anymore.
You currently have one brain cell.
So do you. Anyway, we don't have Beshi yet. He is living with us. We just wanted to minimize his stress as much as possible and get everything set up as much as possible before we brought him over here and like he had to deal with all the moving and being in a new place, in case anyone was wondering. He will be with us and he will be on the vlog soon, just not now.
Hi besties, I am doing some serious Coachella prep today. It's Thursday, we leave, well, the festival's tomorrow. I have nothing ready. I've been focusing on moving. So I'm just trying to like do whatever I can to not look like a whole mess. So this is my favorite device. It's the NuFace Mini. I've been using it for a couple months now and I'm obsessed with it. Like I don't know how I've ever lived without it. I use it before every event. I'm gonna use it again tomorrow morning. But it just like lifts and snatches your face. I did this side already, which like looks so lifted and not as like puffy and tired. I haven't done this side yet. And I'm like currently doing my neck, but yeah, I'm gonna shave, tan, exfoliate, do my skincare for like the first time in 2 weeks because everything's been packed away. Try to get my closet in order and my makeup because that's still in boxes. I have no idea what I'm wearing. I have all my Revolve outfits for Revolve Fest, but
I didn't have time to like buy or shop for anything else. So honestly, if you see me looking basic at Coachella, it is what it is, besties. I have not had time. Everything's been a whole mess. So yeah, I'm excited for the weekend now. It's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna see a lot of friends. See you later. Has there been one moment in this vlog that I haven't looked like a complete disaster? More busted curtains, but this is just temporary. These are the curtains that we were actually interested in and wanted. So we did like a little sheer moment under it, and then this thatched tan.
This burlap sack.
Yeah. Okay, it's a little dark in here, but we also, oh, just kidding. Finally got pots and pans. Drum roll, applause. Yeah, so some of them are in the sink. We're gonna wash them so we can make some dinner. Okay, Edward Scissorhands. Please. Well, that's it for this week's vlog. Sorry if it was a little chaotic and awkward. We're gonna get better at this. We're gonna vlog at Coachella tomorrow. We're gonna spend the night getting ready for Coachella tomorrow. We have to pack, figure out what we're wearing.
See you at Coachella.
See you at Coachella, baby!